so good.
No, it's not. It's not.
Is it good? What do you like about it?
Do
You want me to put some?
I like
Hello everybody, I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm currently packing for a trip to, where are we going?
Costa Rica.
Costa Rica!
It's gonna be so much fun.
It's gonna be so much fun. And I'm packing right now, we're leaving tonight. We're leaving pretty late. We're leaving around 10 at our house, and then our flight is at 1 a.m. It's crazy. I don't think I've ever been on a flight where it's been like the entire
One time
morning.
I woke up at 3 a.m., but 1 a.m.?
I know, we woke up at 3 a.m., but the entire morning on a flight, that's gonna be pretty crazy. But I'm gonna show you guys what I'm packing right now. I haven't fully packed, I've just sort of packed like all of the cute stuff. But it's already starting to like go up. I'm already seeing that I'm packing too much, which happens every trip. I always pack too much.
I think I'm packing just the right amount.
Yeah, so you need to help me decide what I need to get rid of.
Of course.
Let's look at my dresses first.
Okay.
Okay, so I have all of my dresses right here. These are the 3 that I think I'm bringing.
Oh,
Where's
that
this one
one's
from?
cute.
This one's from Wild Fable. It's really cute. It has like these little yellow and
Sunflowers.
yeah, these little flowers stitched onto them. So that's my first one.
Yeah, that one's really, really cute.
This one's my favorite.
Oh, wow.
This one I got from Forever 21. 2, and then, oh, for over this that I'm bringing right here. This is what I'm wearing over the dress. Little covering.
Okay, so like this one's cute.
This one?
I love that one.
This one I got from Forever 21. Because we're going to someplace tropical, I'm not bringing like a lot of like fancy clothing. Just some cute things.
Cute.
These ones are super cute.
From Zara.
These ones are from Zara. It has this little cute blue patch on it. These are from Brandy and Melville. They say Hawaii, but we're going to Costa Rica.
Yeah.
And then these shorts.
Very, very cute.
From Burberry. And then these shorts too. So this is my little pouch that I got from 100% Pure. It says vitamin C on it. But this is just what I use normally for makeup when I travel. This is what I use to pack my makeup in. It's called, it's a Stephanie Johnson. It's like turquoise. And then it looks like this. Oh, there's a credit card in it. What do I think I need for makeup?
Eyebrows, very
lip gloss.
cute, rosy color.
Yeah.
It's sparkly, shimmery.
This is the lipstick I'm wearing right now.
Yeah, you should definitely bring that.
Yeah, it's called Spanish Pink.
Spanish. Wow.
Cute. Okay, and then a couple of hats. I've got these shoes, my barefoots. These are the Todivo barefoots. And then I forgot where these are from. But I bring those, and then I always bring white Birkenstocks. Those are...
She loves them.
I always...
She wears them every day.
I do wear them every day, but especially on vacation, they're like the easiest thing. They can get wet and everything.
And they are very comfortable.
And then I'm bringing, here, do you want to take it?
Yes.
I always bring like a comfy outfit because, like a lounging around comfy.
Why not?
Because why not? So this is from, I have this a long time, this is from Splendid. But it has like blue camouflage and then just a top to it. I'm gonna have to refold all of this. And this, I stole from Dad. And then just a sweatshirt for if we go out at night or if it's cold. I feel like it's gonna be warm there, but you never know if it's like
in the hotel, it might be colder at the restaurant.
Room, especially in restaurants, something like that. Look how crazy this is now that I've unfolded everything.
So many clothes.
And if anyone's been to Forever 21 lately, they have such good bathing suits.
I got one.
Yes,
from Nord.
Yes. So this one I got recently. It's so pretty.
I think Mom got one too.
Yeah, Mom picked it out, and then she's like, we have to go get more. And of course, we all got it.
Yes.
So this is one of them. And then here's the next one. Looks like this, and the other strap comes around like this. I'm not bringing this one on the trip, but this one is really cute. I'm just bringing more lighter ones on the trip.
Yeah, because it's a tropical rainforest.
It's a tropical rainforest. And this one's just black and it's high-waisted. It's kind of like the cut of the other one, but it's black. And this is the green one. It's like cut in the middle.
It's really cute.
And so these are the packing cubes that I use.
Oh, I use those too.
We all use them because they're really good. They're from Eagle Creek, and this one I'll put like socks for sure, so you know. And then this is for like shirts, or I can put like bathing suits. You have the bathing suits in here. I'm working really hard so that on this trip, how long are we going for Costa Rica for? We're going for like 7 days.
Yeah, a week.
Yeah.
And then we're coming back on Jeffrey's birthday.
Yes, we're coming back on my little brother's birthday. But the entire trip, me and Bubba are hanging out, we're vlogging, we're going to the ocean. It's gonna be super fun.
It's gonna be super duper fun.
Super fun. These are the pants that I'm bringing. These pants I've had since I was
15?
Honestly, I think I've had these since I was in 7th grade. But I never really like grew, so they still
Maybe because you have a little sip of Diet Coke.
Oh my goodness, okay, thank you. I did, I used to really like the Diet Coke. So these are what I'm bringing, and then these are my bike shorts. And so it's just something a little bit different if it's hot out.
Yeah.
I can wear some bike shorts. What else should I show?
Maybe the outside world.
Maybe the outside world. You want to show them the outside world?
Yes.
It's so pretty outside.
So many bushes, wow.
Where's the boy?
I don't know. Oh, he's right here playing soccer with them.
Oh.
We're taking a little break from packing and we're gonna go out and we're gonna get some food and pick up Mom's book.
Do you want to keep playing?
No.
We're just sitting
What did
here.
you just do? You're enough to open the door.
What?
Nothing. Caitlin,
What?
we have to fix that.
Fix my leg.
Okay.
It looks nice, but it just needs a little work.
Okay, listen to
I don't know how to do the tanning.
Guys, listen
That's
to
my
me.
second time doing it. I thought you said to not like rub it in.
Rub it on, just so it
I
doesn't-
know, I like blotted it on.
Okay, I'm gonna fix it for you.
Okay, thank you.
Best friend, baby girl.
We're just sitting outside enjoying our sushi. What'd you get, Bubba?
Miso soup,
Miso soup,
cucumber rolls,
cucumber rolls.
fried rice, and then cucumber salad.
It looks so good, Bubba. And I feel like I always get a side of rice.
Yes. I forgot to ask you if you were gonna get that.
I got it.
Is this soy sauce? Hope not.
No,
Here's
it's the
your,
sauce you want.
Good.
yeah. And I also have another one here.
Is there something I can do to cover this?
And I got myself miso soup too. We just got the hot chocolates.
Do you want anything?
We have some of this like powder.
The vanilla powder at Coffee Bean is the best. So give that to Sophia.
Open it.
Here's your straw.
Okay.
You first.
Mars.
Try yours, Bubba.
Good. Okay.
Okay, rate it 1 through 10.
No, just 9.
9. Is it good? What do you like
put it
about
in?
it?
Yeah. I just love the chocolatey taste.
Do you want me to?
Want to try my iced coffee?
Sure.
It's so good.
So good.
Wow.
Wow, it actually is really good.
Yep, I told you it's the best that I've ever had.
Okay, no.
So we
Hi,
finished. Hi guys. So we finished packing. You have your carry-on bag.
Yeah, right here. I still have it from 2nd grade. Now I'm in 6th grade.
We hold them. I'll show them mine.
Right
I'm just
now,
bringing-
right now it's 10:01, I think.
Yeah, hold
It's so late. And now we're going to the airport.
It's 10:08.
10:08.
And so this is the bag that I'm bringing.
Yeah.
I packed myself a snack.
From like junior year.
This one's from senior year. I have this Atkins bar. Hold on, can they see it? Let's focus. There we go. My mom's like, it tastes like a Snickers.
Yeah.
So that's my snack.
But Snickers in healthy version.
In healthy version. That's what you said earlier too.
I know.
So we're all ready. Here's the suitcases. We're just sitting
I'm a
here.
little bit tired, but I'm a little bit alive. I'm more alive than tired right now.
So we're gonna say bye to you guys here.
And then we'll show you guys in the car at the airport.
Yeah.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
We don't need